Hello everyone. I am PRAKAASH from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department from SAVEETHA Engineering College. In this slide, we are going to see about mathematics behind linear regression. What is regression? The main goal of regression is the construction of an efficient model to predict the dependent attributes from a bunch of attribute variables. A regression problem is when the output variable is either real or a continuous variable, that is salary, weight, area, etc. Types of regression. The following are the types of regression: simple linear regression, polynomial regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression. What is linear regression? Regression is a statistical term for describing models that estimate the relationship among variables. Linear regression model study the relationship between a single dependent variable y and one or more independent variable x. If there is only one dependent variable, it is called simple linear regression. If there is more than one dependent variable, then it is called multiple linear regression. Now we are going to see about the advantages and disadvantages of linear regression. Linear regression performs exceptionally well for linearly separable data, whereas the assumption of linearity between dependent and independent variable. It is easier to implement, interpret and efficient to train, but it is often quite prone to noise and overfitting. It handles overfitting pretty well using dimensionally reduction techniques, regularization and cross-validation. Whereas linear regression is quite sensitive to outliers. One more advantage is the exploration beyond a specific dataset. It is prone to multicollinearity. Linear regression equation. A linear regression line equation is written in the form of y equal to a plus bx, where x is the independent variable and plotted along x-axis, y is the dependent variable and plotted along y-axis. The slope of the line is b and a is the intercept. Linear regression formula. The equation of linear regression is y equal to a plus bx. Now here we need to find the value of the slope of line b plotted in scatter plot and the intercept of a. Whereas a is equal to summation y into summation x square minus summation x into summation of xy, the whole divided by n into summation x square minus summation x square. B is equal to n into summation of xy minus summation of x and summation of y, the whole divided by n into summation of x square minus summation of x square. Examples in daily life. How is regression analysis used in everyday life? Linear regressions can be used in business to evaluate trends and make estimates or forecasts. For example, if a company sales have increased steadily every month for the past few years, by conducting a linear analysis on the sales data with monthly sales, the company could forecast sales in future months. Businesses often use linear regression to understand the relationship between advertising, spending, and revenue. Medical researchers often use linear regression to understand the relationship between drug dosage and blood pressure of patients. Data scientists for professional sports teams often use linear regression to measure the effect that different training regimens have on player performance. Thank you.